This is Lorraine, McKee, Kentucky. These sloggers were brand new when I came to Kentucky. While I was here, they were vandalized. You can see there's an X there. You see they're completely discolored. They did something to tarnish the color to make it dull instead of shiny. They first removed one insert, and then a couple of months later they removed the other insert, and then they sliced the back. Look at that. That is not naturally occurring. You can see that is a clear cut slice. I'm going to be throwing them away now, but this is not the first time that they've destroyed a pair of shoes. They have destroyed 4 or 5 pair of boots. They've actually stolen shoes in New Jersey. But this is a cut. This is not something that would happen naturally. And you could see that otherwise, there was nothing wrong with the shoes. I only weigh 100 pounds. I'm not that hard on my shoes. And you can see there's nothing wrong with the other one. Signing off for now.